What's up guys, we've got some nice festive truffles, so we're going to run through the ingredients that's needed for it. So now you've had a rundown of all the ingredients that's needed, I'm just going to bash up these biscuits. You can use any biscuits of your choice. If you've got a food processor, just use that, but we're just going to go old school. And that's about right, there you go. So you just want to check and make sure there's no big clumps in there, doesn't matter if there's a few. And we're just going to put that into the bowl. Set that aside. Some of these you can just break down if you've got any left over. So you want this to try and be as nice and smooth as possible. So now we're going with the biscoff spread. You could use chocolate spread and the cream cheese. So you just want to fully combine everything together. So there we go, I'm just going to wash my hands and then we'll start making the truffle balls. So now that's all mixed, so we're going to roll these into balls. So if you use a spoon and try and get them around the same sort of size. So now they're all rolled, we're going to put them in the freezer and that's just going to allow them to set. So now I'm just going to get on to chopping up the chocolate and then that'll be melted. So I've got two variations of chocolates just because I want some white chocolate truffles and I want some normal milk chocolate truffles. So it's going to be easier for us to melt this in the glass, so we just put this on a low heat in the microwave just to get it done nice and quickly. And then we move on to the white chocolate. And there we go, so we just want to get these into the microwave and get these melted. So now the chocolate's all melted, we're just going to get the truffles out of the freezer. Just be very careful you don't drop them on the floor. And they're nice and firm now. So we're just going to put that on the end of the skewer. So just like that. And then place them back. And then just keep repeating the process. So as you can see, I've crushed up one extra biscuit, and that is just to decorate these ones. So I'm going to decorate the milk chocolate using these. So you kind of want to garnish all the truffles when the chocolate's still melted. And for the white chocolate, I'm just going to use these little festive decorations. So they're all done, so we're just going to put these in the fridge 5 minutes just to finish off setting. So now they're all done, we're just going to get these plated up. So there we have it, some festive truffles, perfect thing to share with the family. Enjoy.